Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel! If you've ever dreamed of writing a non-fiction book but felt overwhelmed by the research, structure, or endless writing hours, today's video is for you. We're diving into a revolutionary AI tool called Youbooks, and we'll compare it directly to traditional writing. By the end, you'll know exactly why authors, coaches, and entrepreneurs are turning to Youbooks to create published-ready books in a fraction of the time. So let's get started. Let's be honest, traditional book writing is hard. You spend weeks researching, months outlining, and sometimes years trying to finish your manuscript. You hit writer's block, lose motivation, and editing becomes a nightmare. Even with a ghostwriter, you're looking at thousands of dollars and long turnaround times. Traditional writing takes a ton of effort, discipline, and patience. But what if you could use AI to do the heavy lifting while still keeping your voice, ideas, and message authentic? That's where Youbooks changes everything. It's designed to streamline the entire process, removing the biggest hurdles so you can focus on what you do best, sharing your knowledge. Imagine cutting down the writing time from years to just a few weeks or even days. It sounds incredible, but with the right technology, it's completely possible. So, what is Youbooks? It's an AI-powered writing assistant designed specifically for non-fiction authors. It lets you upload your research, articles, PDF, SE-band transcripts, or lecture notes and transforms that content into a well-structured, professionally written book. Unlike chatbots or simple text generators, Youbooks uses deep context learning to understand your topic, build logical chapters, and maintain a consistent tone from start to finish. You can even train a voice model to match your unique writing style or speaking patterns. So your book sounds like it was written by you, not a machine. This isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about amplifying it. You provide the raw material, the core ideas, and the expertise. Youbooks then acts as your personal structurer, drafter, and editor, piecing everything together into a coherent and polished manuscript. It's the ultimate collaboration between human intellect and artificial intelligence. Let's break it down side by side. With traditional writing, the process is incredibly time-consuming, often taking anywhere from 6 months to 2 years to complete a single book. It's also expensive if you need to hire editors or ghostwriters, which can cost thousands. The whole process requires constant creativity and discipline, and there's a very high risk of burnout or just giving up midway through. Now, let's look at It can create your first draft in a matter of hours or days, not months. It automatically organizes your ideas into chapters and subtopics, saving you weeks of outlining. It lets you make instant edits and helps you stay consistent with AI-assisted rewriting and polishing tools. Essentially, Youbooks is like having a professional writing team working for you 24/7 without the high cost, the stress, or the long delays. It takes the most tedious parts of writing off your plate. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but who is it really for? You don't have to be a best-selling author to use this. If you're a coach, an educator, an entrepreneur, or just someone with valuable knowledge to share, your books helps you turn that expertise into a powerful, professional book. Imagine publishing your own non-fiction guide, a self-help book, or a business strategy manual, all powered by your insights and organized perfectly by AI. This tool doesn't just save you time, it gives you a powerful way to build authority in your field and grow your personal brand faster than ever before. Think about the impact you could have by finally getting that book out into the world. It could open doors to speaking engagements, new clients, and establish you as a go-to expert. Youbooks makes that goal accessible to everyone, not just seasoned writers. So, if you're ready to skip the writer's block and finally turn your ideas into a published-ready non-fiction book, you need to check out Youbooks today. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's designed to help real writers produce real results. Click the link in the description below to get started with Youbooks right now. Whether it's your first book or your 10th, this AI tool will completely change the way you write forever. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who is dreaming of writing their own book. See you in the next one.